across the blue. Wave hello to drifting clouds as they smile at you. Sail, sail, little boat, past the reeds so tall. Dragonflies with shiny wings join your gentle call. Paddle, paddle, splash and dip, water sings below. Tiny fish go flip, flip, flip in a silver glow. Sail, sail, little boat, through the sunshine bright. Golden sparkles dance and hop in the happy light. Drift, drift, little boat, under willow tree. Listen to the whispering leaves, sharing tales with me. Sail, sail, little boat, hear the frogs go croak. Crickets play a twinkly tune, music in the oak. Float, float, little boat, moon is rising high. Stars begin to blink awake in the velvet sky. Sail, sail, little boat, homeward now you go. Dreams are tucked inside your heart, soft and warm and slow. Sail, sail, little boat, adventure never ends. Every stream and every pond brings you